Today, I'm not sure if I should celebrate it or I should feel bad about Brian Humphries, but lot of you, I can bet, lot of you must be celebrating this change. Hello, everybody. I am back, and again, Cognizant is that name which brings me back time and again. You would have seen on this channel I have been tracking this name, and every time I think maybe I need to move on some other topic, this topic brings me back. Cognizant brings me back to Cognizant. Why we are talking about Cognizant today, there is no reason, but there is a significant change in the leadership of Cognizant. How this happened? If you have seen my last video, which I made about 70 days ago, where we talked about the financial performance of the company, that company's performance was really bad, right? Company, when they started this year 2022 2023, they said they will have the growth of about 8 to 11%, right? This was less, but it was still 5. By the time they are in Q3, right, they, I think 2 quarters later, what they said was they are revising their yearly guidance, right, annual guidance, to about 4 to 7%. 4 to 7%. I don't remember any other significant name which is in IT industry, has been performing so poorly. So what went wrong with Cognizant, with Brian Humphries at the helm? This, if you tracked Brian Humphries' journey, he joined Cognizant in 2019 from Vodafone UK, and the company was hoping that probably they will be able to match up to the peers in the industry. What happened was the company started even doing worse, right? The company saw an attrition about 35-37%, which is highest, and this number nobody wants to admit, right? This is a bad number for any company. Company saw an exodus of leadership, right? All the top leadership of the company are now either in Mindtree or some other mid-level companies. They are heading some other department somewhere else, right? But they could not survive the onslaught of Brian Humphries, right? The change, the immediate changes he brought in, I don't know, probably the cultural change he brought in. He gave them aggressive timelines, aggressive targets. So probably these all things played out, and after that, once all that happened, we saw the customers interest was started weakening in the brand, right? We also saw Bush Securities head, he actually issued kind of an ultimatum that probably this leadership must go. And just about 2 months ago, Cognizant hired Mr. Ravi Kumar, the former Infosys president of America region, and they gave him the responsibility of America. And mind you, if you saw the breakdown of companies' revenues, you will see about 60-70% of revenue of Cognizant are dependent on North America, on America region. And if somebody is heading that region, there was obviously for a larger goal. But I did not know this will happen so soon. In just 2 months time frame, Ravi Kumar has been appointed as CEO of Cognizant, right? So this is a big news. We will have to analyze the impact of Brian Humphries in the longer run. Probably some other video we will have to talk about that in. But today I'm not sure if I should celebrate it or I should feel bad about Brian Humphries. But lot of you, I can bet, lot of you must be celebrating this change, because I could sense the frustration among all of you in the audience with the current leadership. I don't know if it was his working style, his people handling style, because lots of things were happening in the company. I already talked about the top leadership exodus to other companies. Even the junior employees were leaving. They were doing large scale hiring. Right now, they are 350,000 company, and believe you me, why they are cutting down or revising down their guidance, because they have given huge increments, huge investment on retaining employees, and also a lot of market hiring they have done above the real cost of the employees. The problem was nobody wanted to join Cognizant, and this hurt the company's margins. And if you saw my previous video just about 70 days ago, I had a big doubt on their operating margin number, which was 16.4 they were claiming, right? I was not sure how this number is coming out, getting or improving, because their employee hiring cost has gone up, employee retaining cost has gone up, their leadership is going right, their new client addition is weak, right? Their growth in various verticals is muted, right? So if nothing is going well along with the currency related headwinds, okay, that means US currency was getting stronger and stronger. What that means is any revenue coming off from euro region, let's say if euro is weaker compared to dollars, so in local currency terms you lose money, right? So these were all happening, but the number was not adding up. They were showing an operating margin improvement. I had this doubt, and I still maintain my position or my stand on that. With that, I think one chapter is gone, right? There is a new beginning. Mr. Ravi Kumar is a very good name. I think he is the right person to lead Cognizant. But because the damage is so much, it will be difficult, at least initial 1 year. But what's important is market is celebrating that, and how. Let's see, market is celebrating that and how. Cognizant, let's see. So today Cognizant is up 7 to 8%, and Cognizant has probably understood this. Cognizant stock price is factoring in this change for last few probably 1 month, I think, over one. When the stock reached $48, from there it traced back, it changed its direction from 50s level. It is going higher and higher, so almost a huge gain for all the investors from the lower levels, right? So probably when they appointed Ravi Kumar, market understood this change, right? And this is where they are being rewarded. But the journey is not going to be that easy. As I said, there are a lot of challenges. We will see those challenges very soon when they post their result. But what I sense from their broader actions, it looks like this quarter will not be easy one for them. So interesting thing is that I was supposed to talk about Infosys TCS results, because TCS posted its results on 9th, Infosys posted their result today, and also HCL Tech, Wipro posting tomorrow, and Accenture posted about 10-15 days ago. So I was trying to cover those topics, but Cognizant topic came up and I had to last minute change my mind. Probably you like this one also. Thank you. See you later. Probably I will come back bit sooner. And if you like this, probably please don't go without telling me that. Okay. Thank you. See you soon.